Hi everyone. In this video, we'll learn about how to install Ubuntu in Windows machine. So first of all, we'll go to Microsoft Store. Okay, go to apps. Here you can search Ubuntu. So in my machine, it's already installed. If it is first time for you, you can see install option. You can simply click on and install. I'm opening. This is the shell, Ubuntu shell. Setup has already completed in my machine, so that's why you can see here. Yeah, if you are using first time, it will ask username and password. First of all, you should have to set username and password for connecting to Ubuntu machine. So this is about how to install Ubuntu on Windows machine. Before that, while installing Ubuntu, WSL should be enabled mandatory. I have already explained how to enable WSL, so please watch my previous video. This is about this video, guys. Stay tuned for more content. Thank you.